Welcome to Video Tour, Toronto's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great small sedan in our collection. A pre-owned 2018 Toyota Camry. This Toyota is powered by front-wheel drive 2.5-liter engine, automatic transmission and has 71,509 kilometers. Experience affordable luxury with this 2018 Toyota Camry. Low mileage, fuel efficient, and loaded with up-to-date features. This pre-owned gem combines comfort, performance, and style. Be the ultimate road warrior today. This pre-owned Camry comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with keyless entry, AC, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power driver's seat, air suspension, alloy wheels, climate control. To keep you entertained, this Toyota Camry is equipped with voice-activated audio. Safety was put first by the following features: electronic stability control (ESC), traction control, forward collision warning, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, crash imminent braking (CIB), backup camera, ABS brakes, lane keep system. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.